Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video, and I'm making this one real quick to talk about a topic that's been trending on social media. That topic is called So Is the Baby. Now, just in case you're not big on Twitter or Instagram and you don't know what's going on, I'm going to show you a video, we're going to analyze it, and then we're going to talk about how that ties directly into my channel. Okay, now, just for some quick context, this video is about a baby crying on an airplane and a guy having a meltdown. Watch this. Okay.
No, that's not. No. Let's be rational. Hold on. You want to be rational? No. Don't tell me what. Let's be rational. We are in a tin can with a baby in a goddamn echo chamber, and you want to talk to me about? Okay, because you're yelling. So is the baby. Okay, so you're a man. Did that mother actually yell? Okay. No. Shut up. Boy, shut up. No. You just start to me now. I don't get. You were sitting there watching that mother. Didn't have nothing to do with nothing.
Okay. All right, now, just in case you didn't hear what he was saying, basically, he's having a meltdown because the baby's crying. And the reason why it's trending is because the guy said, lower your voice, you're yelling. And the guy yells out, so is the baby. So that so is the baby kind of took on a life of its own, and it's kind of trending. Everybody's making the memes. Everybody's having a good old time. Check out the Shade Room if you want to see the actual post. But here's why this ties directly into my channel. Whenever I do my earbuds video, y'all hear me do this test right here. The annoying baby test. Now, when I do that test, I'm not doing it to be funny or silly and try to get some laughs. I'm doing that because anybody who's ever been in this situation knows this is the most annoying feeling in the world. Even when it's your kids. Everybody out there who has kids in the comments, leave it in the comments if you got kids. I remember back in the days when my daughter would be crying like that when we outside somewhere. It was very annoying, but it's my daughter, so I got to try to solve that problem. The same way whoever's baby this is, maybe give them a cookie, stick a pacifier in their mouth, start playing with them. Everybody has different, little tricks that they use to get their baby to stop crying. And some people just don't know how to do it. And some babies, no matter what you do, they're gonna cry. It's a baby, okay? Babies cry. You can't get mad at that. That's the reason when you see me testing earbuds out, I do this test. Now, with my luck, every time I fly somewhere, I'm that guy. I always happen to sit next to a baby or sit right across from a baby or right in front or behind somebody who has a baby. And, when that baby starts crying, everybody around them, their initial reaction is like, all right, give the baby a couple of minutes. They're gonna stop crying. It's a baby. Everybody who has kids understands. But every now and then you get that person who doesn't know how to, soothe their baby, and they're gonna let the baby cry for 15, 20, 30 minutes straight. And when that happens, when you're on a flight, it is the most annoying thing in the world. And that's one of the reasons why the guy said, we're in a tin can. Now, look, I don't care if you're sitting in first class. I've flown first class many times, okay? Many times. I've flown Coach. I've flown Spirit Airlines, okay? The Tin Can Airlines. No matter what airline you fly in or what seat you in, at the end of the day, it's never a fun flight. There's no such thing as a fun flight. Because in the back of your mind, you know that if that plane goes down, your ass is out of here. So when you're flying, even if you're very comfortable, you're sitting in first class, you're eating donuts and coffee and all of that, when that turbulence hits, it reminds you that this is not a fun flight. So I said that to say this. Having a set of headphones or earbuds with God tier or top tier noise cancellation is important. Not just important, very important. And one of my mottos that I live by is I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. You see, a lot of people buy headphones and they say, you know what? I don't really care about active noise cancellation. I ain't never going to use it. If this guy right here would have had these in his pocket, there wouldn't be this video online right now. Okay? This is why I can't stress enough. When you're buying your headphones or your earbuds, okay, and you travel a lot, your comfort should be at the forefront of your mind. Okay, comfort is very important, and you don't want to be that guy. Right now, about to become famous, probably lose your job because you're outside screaming on somebody's baby. You don't want to be that guy. So let me show you, let me recommend some good earbuds for you right now. Now, I'm going to make this video quick. But first, let me tell you my top 5 truly wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation. Number 1, B&O EX. Okay, this is still number 1. Number 2, now the reason you see this Xiaomi phone is I originally came down here to do my Xiaomi 13 Ultra unboxing. This is the 12S Ultra. I'm doing the 13 Ultra. I'm going to do that tomorrow instead. I just felt like I had the need to bring this video out there so when I make my videos and y'all hear that baby crying, y'all know exactly how passionate I am about this specific topic. Okay, so EX number 1. Number 2, the B&O EQ. Okay, B&O got the top 2 spots on lock. You can't go wrong with either one of these. Number 3 on my list, I'm going with the Bowers & Wilkins, the PI7 S2s. I love these. Better battery life now. Incredible sound. Let's see, number 4, I'm going with the Sennheiser Momentums. These are the new ones. Okay, that's number 4. And number 5 on my list, I'm going to round it off with these Audio-Technicas. I literally love these. Okay, that's number 5 on my list. Then after that, I like the Noras. Okay, you can't go wrong with the Noras. And believe it or not, I fell in love with these JBLs. With the JBLs. Now, all of these earbuds right here, top tier noise cancellation. But when I'm going on a flight, okay, when I'm going on a flight and I ain't got time to be gambling, I'm not taking no chances. Who knows who's going to be sitting next to me or where I'm going to be sitting at. There's 2 sets of earbuds that you're always going to find in my pocket, no matter what. Even if I got the B&Os and the Sennheisers, there's 2 more sets of earbuds that's going to be in my bag. Number 1, the Bose, and number 2, the Sonys. Now, out of all the earbuds you see on the table, these 2 sets of earbuds right here have the highest level of noise cancellation. And I can guarantee you, if that guy had on either one of these earbuds and had noise cancellation turned on and his favorite song at volume 10, he would not hear that baby crying. That's exactly why I do that test. Okay, so if you work in a noisy environment, you travel a lot, you got your own annoying kids in the house. And look, when I say annoying, I don't mean that in a bad way. Like when my daughter used to cry, it used to annoy me because I had 2 jobs at the time when she was a little baby. I had 2 jobs. I'm only getting 4 hours a night of sleep. And in those 4 hours, here come Amaya crying. You know what I'm saying? It was very annoying, but that's my daughter. I got to, that's what I signed up for. So that's the sacrifices that I made. But when you're somebody else's kid, it's even more annoying. Spend some money and get some quality noise canceling headphones or earbuds. Now, it's the same thing. If you got over-the-ear headphones, I think y'all seen my top 5 already. I don't need to recap that. But a lot of people don't want to travel with big over-the-ear headphones. These are the perfect travel companion. They go right in your pocket. Okay? Most flights, 5-6 hours, these got you covered. And that's why I bring 2. Okay? Redundancy. Big words alert. I'm never going to get caught slipping. Or as we say in the hood, lacking. You're not going to catch me lacking, sitting next to some baby crying and somebody on the low recording me and watching my face get angrier and angrier until I just melt down. Okay? No, like you don't want to be the person having that meltdown. So invest in some quality earbuds. I'm going to wrap this video up. Tomorrow, we're going to do the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. We're going to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to use it for a couple of days and then do a full review. After that, I got a couple of special requests. Somebody asked me to do the Liberty 4s. I got these 2. I got the Xiaomi buds. I got a few products that I'm planning on doing this week before I go to Amaya's competition. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know if y'all got any funny stories, because look, this is another thing I want to talk about. I read the comments on all of my videos. So right now, hit me up in the comments and let me know if you got a funny story or a funny situation that a set of these earbuds would have got you out of that situation. Now, I can tell you real quick, I had my Bowers & Wilkins, the PI7s, the original PI7s. And you know, the battery on those is about 4 hours. Sometimes 3.5. The battery life was pretty trash. So I got caught slipping. Okay, that's the only earbuds I had. And I had a set of over-the-ear headphones in my carry-on bag. Now, long story short, I fell asleep at the gate. Okay, so by the time I woke up and I realized the plane was already almost fully boarded, when I got on the flight, there was no room over my seat to put my bag. So they was like, yo, you got to put it all the way in the back. The flight attendant looked out for me because she was like, basically, you might have to check it. I was like, I can't check my bag. I got laptops and got all type of gizmos and gadgets in there. I can't check it in under the plane. She said, I'm going to look out. I'm going to do you a favor. I'm going to throw it in the back. So it's all the way in the back under somebody else's stuff. Okay, cool. So I sit down on the flight. I got my PI-7s. I'm rocking out. Hard, nonstop coming back from Vegas, which is about 4.5 to 5 hours, depending on the air traffic and the circumstances. But for this flight, the flight actually got delayed. So 3 hours into the flight, I'm noticing I'm getting low, low battery alert. So I'm like, all right, well, I'm just going to rock out. Who cares? And hopefully I fall asleep. So I rocked out all the way until the headphones died. Soon as they died, maybe about 20 minutes later, what happened? This. Right across from me. And let me tell you this, when I'm going on vacation, nothing can hurt my vibe. When I'm coming back from vacation, the slightest thing is going to annoy me and trigger me. So I'm on that flight, I'm uncomfortable, I'm sitting next to two strangers, and then there's a baby crying, and I don't got no headphones. That's why I was like, you know what, from now on, no matter what, I'm keeping 2, not 1, okay? I don't care if this got 10-hour battery life. I'm keeping 2 sets of earbuds in my pocket where I can reach them. Because I couldn't get up and go all the way to the back and start digging through my bags and all that. Like, I'm one of those people that I don't like to, if I'm sitting at the window, I don't want to keep getting up, going back and forth, making everybody else get up. I just don't do that. But I could have did that, but I just didn't. But I paid for it. I paid for it by listening to that baby. So the moral of the story. Okay, make sure you get some quality headphones or earbuds with active noise cancellation. Don't be the so is the baby guy. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if y'all got any footy stories. Let me know if y'all want to see anything specific on this channel. But other than that, me and White Shoes is out.